Hi students, welcome to the next session. In today's session, we are going to discuss matrices objective. So in your objective material, please open the page number 70. In this page number 70, we will discuss K-set level questions in the chapter matrices. So first we will discuss matrices chapter. Okay. So but in your material, matrices and determinants combined questions are given, but I will explain only the questions from the chapter matrices only. So in K-set corner, see the first question. If A and B are two square matrices of same order such that AB is equal to B, BA equals to A, then A square plus B square. They given AB is equal to B, BA is equal to A, then find the value of A square plus B square. Okay. See the solution for the first one. The given condition AB is equal to B, they given, and BA is equal to A given. We need to find the value of A square plus B square. So how to find the value of A square plus B square? This A square I can write A into A plus B square I can write B into B, that equals to A into, in place of this A I am substituting BA plus B into, in place of this B I am substituting AB. Matrix multiplication satisfies associative law. That's why this AB into A into BA I can write AB into A. This is called associative property. Similarly, this B into AB I can write BA into B. In place of AB we can write B. Here A is there. In place of BA we can write A plus B. That equals to BA value is A, AB value is B. Therefore, the final answer is A plus B. A plus B is nothing but second option is a correct answer for this question number 1. Next. Option 2 is a correct answer. See the second question. See in that second question, they given A is 3 by 3 non-singular matrix. What is non-singular matrix? Non-singular matrix means det value is not equal to 0, and det A is given 3. We need to find det of 2A whole inverse. Okay. The given order is 3. Order is nothing but n value is 3. And the given det A value also equals to 3. We need to find det of 2A whole inverse. Okay, this det of 2A whole inverse I can write 1 by det of 2A, that equals to 1 by, what is the formula for det of Ka? In PU already we know det of Ka formula is K power n into det A. Here K is what? 2 power n into det A, that equals to 2 power n is order, that is nothing but 3. Det A value 3, that equals to 1 by 2 cube 8 into 3. Therefore 1 by 8 3 is 24. Therefore the final answer is 1 by 24 for this question. 1 by 24, that is nothing but fourth option is a correct answer for this question number 2. Next, we will discuss third question. What is third question? A matrix is given and one condition is given, a square plus xa plus y equals to 0, then find the value of x and y. Okay, so first of all, in this question I am finding a square. A square is nothing but a into a. What is a matrix? 3, 2, 1, 1. Therefore 3, 2, 1, 1 into again the same matrix 3, 2, 1, 1. Apply the matrix multiplication concept. Then what you row into column? 3, 3 just 9 plus 2, 1 just 2. 3, 2 just 6 plus 2, 1 just 2. Again do the process with second row. 1 into 3, 3 plus 1 into 1. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 1. Now what you will get? 11, 8, 4, 3. This is the value of a square. What is the given condition? Given condition is a square plus xa plus yi, I is identity matrix, is equal to 0. 0 means null matrix. So a square means already we got 11, 8, 4, 3 plus xa means a matrix is multiply with x. This total matrix is multiply with x. Then what will get? 3x, 2x, 1x, 1x. Plus what is yi? Identity matrix is multiplied with y. Therefore what will get? Y, 0, 0, y is equal to, this is not a value, it is a 0 matrix. So that's why 0 matrix means all zeros will get. Now compare this. After then if you compare, what you will get? 4 plus x plus 0 is equal to 0. 4 plus x plus 0 is equal to 0. Then you will get x equals to minus 4. Next 3 plus x plus y is equal to 0. 3 plus x plus y is equal to 0. Here x value we know. What is x value? Minus 4 plus y equals to 0. Then 3 minus 4 is nothing but minus 1 plus y is equal to 0. Then y value is 1. Then finally we got x value and y value. Therefore x comma y is equal to minus 4 comma 1. Minus 4 comma 1, that is nothing but which option? First option. Therefore first option is a correct answer for this question number 3. Okay, next. So I am not doing fourth and fifth questions because these two questions will come in determinants concept. I am explaining only matrices. That's why I will discuss question number 6. In 2011 they asked, what is the question number 6? In question number 6, matrix is given. What is the matrix? Cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. This is given matrix. In this question we need to find the value of A into A transpose. Okay, A matrix already we know, cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. This is matrix A. Transpose. Transpose means we know the rows and columns should be interchanged. What is the first row? Cos theta, sin theta. It can be changed to first column. What is the second row? Minus sin theta, cos theta. It can be also changed to the second column. Apply the matrix multiplication rule. Cos into cos, cos square. Sin into sin, sin square. Cos square plus sin square, 1. Cos into, I am doing direct simplification because it is objective. Don't do the problem like PU. Cos theta into minus sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta, both cancel 0, like that 0 and 1 will come. Then finally we got 1 0 0 1. But 1 0 0 1 is a nothing but identity matrix of order 2. Therefore, the value of A into A dash is equal to I, that is nothing but fourth option is a correct answer for this question number 6. So option 4 is a correct answer for this question. Next, we will discuss 8th question, because 7th question is determinant question. 8th question: if A and B are the symmetric matrices of the same order, then which of the following is not true? Okay, in 8th question they given A and B are symmetric matrices. What is symmetric matrix condition? A dash is equal to A, B dash is equal to B. So this is a condition for symmetric matrix. In question they asked which of the following is not true. What is the first option? What is the first option? AB minus BA is symmetric. I am finding AB minus BA whole dash. We will check it is true or not. It can be written as AB whole dash minus BA whole dash. AB whole dash formula B dash into A dash. First second matrix we need to take. BA whole dash formula A dash into B dash. In place of B dash we can take B. In place of A dash we can take A. Now BA minus AB. If you take minus common, then we get AB minus BA. Then finally what we got? AB minus BA whole dash is equal to minus of AB minus BA. Then what we can write? AB minus BA is skew symmetric, because minus is there, that's why it is skew symmetric. Now what is given option? AB minus BA is symmetric. But what we got? AB minus BA is symmetric. So this first option is not true. Therefore, option 1 is a correct answer for this question number 8. Okay. Next, we will discuss 10th question, because 9th question is determinants concept. So that's why we will discuss 10th question. What is the 10th question? The inverse of the matrix 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 we need to find. Okay. I will explain one shortcut formula for finding inverse. If the matrix is given like this, x, 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 x means all elements are equal. The inverse of this matrix will be is equal to 1 by 4x, 1 by 4x, 1 by 4x, 1 by 4x. This is a shortcut formula we are using in objective. Now in place of x, in this question they given 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 inverse. Then what you can write? 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, that is nothing but 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Understood how I got this answer? In place of x, we can substitute 1 by 3 here. We'll get answer 3 by 4. This is the answer for this question. That is nothing but option 3 is a correct answer for this question number 10. Next, we will discuss 11th question. Inverse of a diagonal non-singular matrix is. So the matrix should be diagonal and non-singular. Non-singular means det value is not equals to 0. What is the diagonal matrix? For example, I am finding the diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is a matrix in which all the non-diagonal elements are 0, and this is 1, this is 2. This is example for diagonal matrix. Okay, I am finding the inverse of this matrix. This is diagonal or not? Yes, because diagonal matrix definition, in a square matrix all the non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. These are the non-diagonal elements. You can take. I am finding det A. 1 into 2. 0 into 0. 0. That is 2. Next I am finding adjoint A. How to find adjoint A of this 2 by 2 matrix? Interchange these two values. Change the symbol of remaining 2. 0 is not having any symbol, that's why 0 will get. I am finding inverse. Actually this is a question determinants. Adjoint A by det A. That is det A is nothing but 2. Adjoint A is 2, 0, 0, 1. If you divide with 2, what will get? 2 by 2, 1, 0 by anything, 0, 0, 1 by 2. Now again, this matrix you observe, all the non-diagonal elements are equal. Therefore, this is also called as diagonal matrix. So, if you take a diagonal matrix, it inverse also a diagonal matrix. Therefore, the answer is the first option for this question number 11. Okay, next this 12 and 13 are the questions in determinants. That's why we will discuss 14th question. It is asked in KSET 2013. Okay, what is 14th question? If A and B are the square matrices of order n such that A square minus B square is equal to A minus B into A plus B, then which of the following is true? They given the condition A square minus B square is equal to A minus B into A plus B. Okay. Now this A square minus B square I can write as it is. I multiply this A into A square, A into minus B minus AB, plus B into A, BA, B into minus B square. Then minus B square cancel, A square cancel, then 0 null matrix remaining, then minus AB plus BA. Then minus AB come to this side becomes plus AB. Then finally this condition exists when AB value, BA value both are same. If AB, BA both are same, that is nothing but which option? Option 3 is a correct answer for this question number 14. Okay, next. 15, 16, 17 are the questions in determinants. That's why we will discuss question number 18. What is the question? If matrix is equal to A plus B and A is symmetric matrix and B is skew symmetric matrix, then we need to find the matrix B. We need to find. So here A plus B is given. Okay, and A minus B and A is symmetric, B is skew symmetric. Then find the matrix B. Okay, A plus B is equal to 2, 3, 5 minus 1. This is a given number. I am finding the transpose of this. A plus B whole dash. What is the transpose? The rows can be interchanged to column. This 2, 3 is row, but here I can write column. 5 minus 1 is second row, here I can take second column. A plus B whole dash means I can write A dash plus B dash. 2, 5, 3, minus 1. But in question they mention A is symmetric matrix. What is symmetric condition? A dash is equal to A. B is skew symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric condition? B dash is equal to minus B. I am applying these two conditions here. A is symmetric, that's why in place of A dash I can write A. B is skew symmetric, so in place of B dash I can write minus B. That equals to 2, 5, 3, minus 1. From these two equations, we need to find the value of B. That's why I am subtracting these two. If you subtract, what is the LHS of the equation 1? A plus B minus A minus B. That equals to 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 5, minus 2, 5 minus 3, 2, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Now here A and A gets cancelled. Then B plus B, 2B, that equals to 0, minus 2, 2, 0. Send 2 this side, then B equals to 0, minus 1, 1, 0. This is the answer for question number 18. That is nothing but option 4 is the correct answer for this question number 18. Okay, next we will discuss the question number 19. In question number 19, they given A is 3 by 4 matrix. A is 3 by 4 matrix. B is a matrix. The order is not given. That's why I am taking the order of B matrix is M into N. And both A dash B, BA dash are defined. Then B matrix order we need to find. Both A dash B, BA dash. Okay, first A matrix order is 3 by 4. Then A dash matrix order is 4 by 3. Reverse. Next, B matrix order is M by N as it is. They given A dash B is defined. This is matrix multiplication. According to matrix multiplication concept in PU, if the matrix multiplication is possible, the number of columns in the first matrix, the number of rows in the second matrix, both are equal, then only matrix multiplication is possible. According to this concept, M value is equal to 3. Similarly, one more. B matrix order is M by N. Next, A dash matrix order is 4 by 3. In question they mention BA dash is defined. Again matrix multiplication. If matrix multiplication is possible, the number of columns in the first matrix, the number of rows in the second matrix, both are equal. That is N is equal to 4. Then finally we got M value and N value. Therefore, the B matrix order is M by N. That is nothing but 3 by 4. That is answer for this question. 3 by 4 is nothing but second option is the correct answer for this question number 19. Next, question number 20. In question number 20, we need to find the symmetric part of the matrix 3 by 3 matrix. Already in PU we know a matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Symmetric part is nothing but, for question number 20, the symmetric part is nothing but half into A plus A dash. This is the symmetric part of the matrix. That equals to half into, what is A matrix? They given 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 2 minus 2, 7. This is the matrix A. For this matrix I am finding A dash. 1, 6, 2, 2, 8 minus 2, 4, 2, 7. This is A dash. If you add these two matrices, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 2 minus 2, 0, 2 plus 4, 6, minus 2 plus 2, 0, 7 plus 7, 14. If you divide by 2, then 2 by 2, 1, 8 by 2, 4, 6 by 2, 3, 8 by 2, 4, 16 by 2, 8, 0 by anything, 0, 6 by 2, 3, 0 by anything, 0, 14 by 2, 7. This is the answer for question number 20. That is nothing but option 4 is a correct answer for this question number 20. Okay, next, this 21, 22, 23, these all are up to 26 are the questions in determinants. That's why you can discuss the question number 27. That is simple question. A matrix is given, we need to find A square. Okay, 27 matrix, very easy question, PU question. A square equals to A into A. A matrix is 0, 1, 1, 0. Again you take the same matrix, 0, 1, 1, 0. Apply the matrix multiplication concept. Then what will get? 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1, 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. The final answer should be 1, 0, 0, 1. That is nothing but identity matrix, that is I. Therefore 27th question answer is identity matrix. Identity matrix is nothing but 1, 0, 0, 1. Therefore the option for this question number 27, that is option 3 is a correct answer for this question number 27. Next, we will discuss the question number 31. Student, there is a small correction in question number 31. Right side 1 is given, that is not 1, that is I, identity matrix. Okay, now we will discuss question number 31. In 31th question they mention A plus A dash is equal to I. Okay, here what is A? Cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta. Okay, now matrix is cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta. This is A matrix plus its transpose. Then cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta, minus sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta. That equals to I. Now if you are adding these two matrices, then what will get? 2 cos 2 theta, 0 because both gets cancelled, 0, 2 cos 2 theta. That equals to identity matrix means 1, 0, 0, 1. Now equate, in place of 2 cos 2 theta, 1 is there. 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 1. That implies cos 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. That implies 2 theta is equal to 60. That is nothing but pi by 3. then theta value is pi by 6. That is answer for that question number 31. That is nothing but option 3 is the correct answer for this question number 31. Okay, next we will discuss the question 36. Okay, in question number 36, A matrix is given. We need to find A square minus 5A. So first I am finding A square. A square is nothing but A into A. A matrix is given 3, 1, minus 1, 2. 3, 1, minus 1, 2 into again same matrix 3, 1, minus 1 into 2. If you multiply these two matrices, 3, 3 just 9, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 3, 1 just 3 plus 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 2, 2 just 4. After simplification, what you will get? 8, 5, minus 5, 3. This is the value of A square. But in question they asked A square minus 5A. That equals to A square value just now we got 8, 5, minus 5, 3. 8, 5, minus 5, 3. Minus 5A. 5A means this A matrix is multiply with 5. 5, 3 just 15. 5, 1 just 5. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 5, 2 just 10. Now simplify. What will get? 8 minus 15, that is minus 7. 5 minus 5, 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. 3 minus 10, minus 7. You can take minus 7 outside. I can write 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1 is a identity matrix of order 2. That is nothing but answer minus 7i for this question number 36. Minus 7i, that is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer for this question number 36. Okay, next we will discuss question number 37. Already the same model question we discussed earlier. A matrix order is m by n. Here B matrix order is not given, that's why I am taking the P matrix order is P by Q. And AB dash defined. Okay. A m into n. Here B dash order is Q by P. AB dash defined. If the matrix multiplication is possible, the number of columns in the first matrix and the number of rows in the second matrix both are same. Now Q value is equal to n. Next, I am finding B dash. B dash matrix order is Q by P. Next, A matrix order is m by n. Here they given B dash A defined. B dash A defined. Here also, the number of columns in the first matrix, the number of rows in the second matrix both are same. Then P value is m. Then finally we got P value and Q value both we got. Therefore, the order of B what we took P by Q, that is nothing but m by n. That is answer for question number 37. That is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer for this question number 37. Okay, next. After 37, we will discuss question number 42. I am discussing only the questions in matrices chapter. So, what is the 42 question? If the matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then what is the condition? In 2017 case that they asked. So, what is the condition for symmetric? A dash is equal to A. What is condition for skew symmetric? A dash is equal to minus A. If you add these two, A dash plus A dash, 2A dash is equal to A minus A. that is 2a dash is equal to a minus a is nothing but null matrix. Then a dash is null matrix, then a also null matrix. Therefore, the final answer is null matrix, or we can say 0 matrix. Therefore, option is the second option because 0 matrix is given. Therefore, option 2 is a correct answer for this question number 42. Next, we will discuss question number 43. In question number 43, A matrix is given 2, minus 2, minus 2, 2. And condition A power n is equal to the given 2 power k into A. Then find k value. Okay. So this is a question. A matrix is given and this condition is given. K value we need to find. First I am finding A square. That is nothing but A into A. 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 into again 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. If you multiply this, then what you will get? 8 minus 8 minus 8. I am doing directly 8. You can take 4 common, then what you can write? 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. This is nothing but A matrix, so therefore we got 4A. This 4A I can write 2 square A. Okay. Next I am finding A cube. That is A square into A. A square is 8 minus 8 minus 8 8 into A matrix 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. If you apply matrix multiplication concept, then we'll get 32 minus 32 minus 32 32. From this I can write 16A. That is 2 power 4. If you find A square, we got 2 square A. If you find A cube, we got 2 power 4A. Again this 2 square A I can write 2 power 2 into 2 minus 1A. And 2 power 4A can be written as 2 power 2 into 3 minus 1A. Because 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 2 just 4 only. If you apply the same logic, then A power n is equal to 2 power 2 into, if you take square 2 minus 1, cube 3 minus 1, take power n, n minus 1 into A. But A power n is already given. What is that? 2 power k into A. 2 power k into A is equal to 2 power 2 into n minus 1A. Both side A and A cancel. If the bases are equal, powers also equal. What is the power here? K. What is the power here? 2 into n minus 1. That implies k value is 2 into n minus 1. That is the answer for question number 43. That is nothing but option 4 is a correct answer for this question number 43. Next, we will discuss 44th question. In 44th question, what is given? The matrix 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1, and the column matrix they given x y is equal to the column matrix given 2 4. Simple question. Then we need to find the value of x and y. If you apply matrix multiplication method, x plus y equals to 2. Here minus x plus y equals to 4. Then x cancel, 2y equals to 6, y equals to 3. Substitute this y value in equation 1. Then from equation 1, x plus y equals to 2. Then x equals to minus 1. Therefore x value minus 1 and y value 3. That is the answer for this question number 44. That is nothing but option 4 is a correct answer for this question number 44. Next, question number 45. So in question number 45, A matrix is given. We need to find A into A dash. A into A dash. A matrix is cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Into A dash, transpose of this matrix. Cos alpha, minus sin alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha. If you simplify cos into cos, cos square, sin into sin, sin square, cos square plus sin square, that is. Next. Cos into minus sin plus sin into cos, 0. Here also 0. Here you will get sin square plus cos square. But in trigonometry, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. Therefore, answer 1, 0, 0, 1 is answer for this. 1, 0, 0, 1 is nothing but which matrix? Identity matrix of order 2. Therefore, the answer for question number 45 is option 4 is the correct answer for this question number 45. Okay, next. We'll discuss question number 50. This is given in case 2019. See, in 50 question, what they given? If P and Q are the symmetric matrices of same order, then PQ minus QP. Symmetric matrix definition: P dash is equal to P, Q dash is equal to Q. Then we need to find PQ minus QP. I am finding PQ minus QP whole dash. It can be written as PQ whole dash minus QP whole dash. PQ whole dash I can write Q dash into P dash. QP whole dash I can write P dash into Q dash. Q dash is nothing but Q, P dash is nothing but P. Substitute QP minus PQ. One minus common, then PQ minus QP. So here minus is there. If minus is there, means that is a symmetric or skew symmetric? Skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, PQ minus QP is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix, that is nothing but which option? Option 3 is a correct answer for this question number 50. Next, we will discuss question number 51. In question number 51, they given 3a plus 4b dash is equal to the matrix 7 minus 10 17 0 6 31, and they given 2b minus 3a dash is equal to minus 1 18 4 0 minus 5 minus 7. So these are the two conditions given. From these two conditions we need to find the matrix B. So how to find the matrix B? First I am taking the transpose of this matrix. Now you can write 3a dash plus 4 b dash whole dash, that is nothing but B. The transpose of this matrix is 7 0 minus 10 6 and 17 31. And second matrix you write first minus 3a dash, later you write 2b. Minus 3a dash plus 2b, that equals to matrix is minus 1 18 4 0 minus 5 minus 7. If you add these two matrices, 3a dash cancel, 4b plus 2b, that is 6b. Then 7 minus 1 6, 0 plus 18 18, minus 10 plus 4 minus 6, 6 plus 0 6, 17 minus 5 12, 31 minus 7, 24. Now send the 6 this side. 6 by 6, 1. 18 by 6, 3. Minus 6 by 6, minus 1. 6 by 6, 1. 12 by 6, 2. 24 by 6, 4. Therefore, this is the answer for matrix B. That is nothing but option 2 is the correct answer for this question number 51. Next. Question number 55. A matrix is given 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then we need to find A power 4. Very easy. So first I am finding A square, that is A square A into A. Then 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Again same matrix 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is, if you apply the matrix multiplication, then what will get? 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is nothing but which matrix? Identity matrix, that is for A square. But in question they asked A power 4, that can be written as I square, A square into A square, that is I into I into I is again which matrix? Identity matrix. Identity matrix means which option? Option 2 is a correct answer for this question number 55. Now the last question, that is question number 56. The remaining questions are the determinant question. The last question in KSET, that is question number 56. See, in question number 56 they mention A and B are the square matrices of same order and B is skew symmetric matrix, then A dash BA. So here B is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric condition is B dash is equal to minus B. Then we need to find A dash B A. This is which matrix? This A dash B A whole dash I am finding. Then I can write A dash B dash A dash whole dash. That equals to A dash B dash is nothing but minus B. A dash whole dash is nothing but A. Then finally what you get? Minus of A dash B A. This is the final thing. Here minus is given. Minus is nothing but that is skew symmetric. Therefore A dash B A is which matrix? Skew symmetric matrix. That is nothing but for 56 question option 3 is the correct answer for this question. So these are the KSET level questions in matrices concept. In next video we will discuss some JEE level questions in matrices concept. Thank you.